Welcome to Doba tutorial. Today we will tell you about Retailer API. API, or Application Programming Interface, is a software intermediary that allows two applications to talk to each other. And Doba Retailer API allows your e-commerce store website to interact with Doba.com, such as to get suppliers and products information from Doba, get the customer orders from your site on Doba and then place and pay for the orders for your buyers, and sync the shipping info to your store and let your buyers know the order shipping progress, etc. Retailer API integration is an enterprise plan-only function. So, if you're an enterprise-level subscriber of Doba, let's see how to apply for a developer account and the basics of the APIs. First, please open Doba. Scroll down to the bottom of the homepage and click API. You will enter the API guide page. Here, please view the general instructions. Then, please follow these 6 steps to open a developer account. First, register a retailer account on Doba, and subscribe for an enterprise plan. Second, click here to apply for the developer account. Please enter the platform name, website URL, business type, monthly sales volume, the categories you are interested in, contact name, email, phone number. Third, please click here to obtain your public key. Choose the key format first according to your need. Then click Generate Key. Then, we recommend you download both the public key and the private key for later use. And, please click to copy the public key. Return to the previous page, and paste the key here. Finally, please enter your IP address, and click Apply now to submit the application. Please wait for a day or two for Doba's validation. You'll be notified by email message once the application is approved. Then return to the application page. You'll find your review results as approved, and your account status as enable. You'll also find your app key here. This means you're good to go. Then, you may continue to view the other parts of the API guide, such as the invocation method, the outline, and the API update history. And, click to view the 5 API categories: product, order, shipping, payment management, and get basic information. For each instance, you will find the API name and the description. And, you may click here to copy the URL of the API. Here, you may find the request and response parameters. Down here, you will find the sample codes for request and result format. Further down here, you will find the status codes and their meanings. You may add these web pages to your browser's favorite, and come back later to view the details when you are writing the API codes for your e-commerce site. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like this tutorial video, please subscribe for more.